Hello everyone, this is Marcia from tastybabyrecipes.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a recipe for baby puree with chicken, apple and potato. This is a stage 1 recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 2.2 ounces of chicken, half an apple and 1 potato. First, make sure the chicken is skinless, boneless and all the muscles are removed. Chop the chicken into pieces and cook it in a saucepan with boiling water for about 10 minutes. Make sure there's no pink spot left. Clean and peel the apple and remove the core. Cut it into slices and cook the apple for a few minutes. This will make it softer and sweeter. Peel and chop the potato and cook it for about 10 minutes until it's soft. Add all the ingredients to a blender and mix them into a smooth puree. You can add some water or formula to make the puree thinner. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, check out tastybabyrecipes.com for more recipes and tips.